Ever downloaded a great clip, only to realize the quality is soft? The images look flat, there are annoying watermarks everywhere, and the final files are way too large to share. That's exactly the kind of workflow I've been fixing lately. And instead of jumping between multiple tools, I've been using UniConverter 17.4. First, I started with Video Enhancer. The new Quality Enhancement Ultra model uses Gen AI to improve clarity and detail while keeping the footage looking natural. Instead of over-sharpening the video, it restores quality and gives older or low-quality clips a cleaner, more professional look in just a few clicks. Next, I moved over to Image Enhancer using the advanced model NanoBanana light enhancement tools. This is especially useful for photos with reflections on glasses, windows, or shiny surfaces. It can also improve cloudy or dull-looking images by bringing back brightness and color, making them look much more vibrant without heavy editing. After that, I cleaned up unwanted branding using the watermark remover. Whether it's a video watermark or an image watermark, the tool makes the removal process quick and simple, helping create cleaner assets that are ready for production. Instead of exporting and compressing files one by one, UniConverter handled them all in a single workflow, reducing file sizes while keeping visual quality intact. For creators, editors, and anyone working with lots of media files, this kind of all-in-one workflow can save a huge amount of time. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the link below.